Good morning, Fruit and Sport subscribers. I've got a little workout for you today, and I also wanted to talk about a couple of things that many people out there in the general public are still not getting. They don't get that they do not need tons of protein. Protein, if you're getting too much, is a problem for your kidneys. Your kidneys cannot deal with all that protein. And that's why in this country, in the US, there are more people on dialysis than anywhere else because meat consumption, protein is so high, and fast food and all that junk. So how much protein do we really need? That's what you need to find out. How much? Let me say this. A newborn baby, when a newborn baby is first born, they're on mother's milk. Now, they can stay on mother's milk for 1 year, 2 years. Some stay longer. Then they start, bringing in foods, solid foods, but 1 year for sure. And a newborn baby will grow more in that first year of life than their entire life. But how much protein is in mother's milk? 6% of the total caloric intake. 6% is protein. So we only need a small amount. I recommend 6 to 10% protein. That will adequately repair and build muscle. Look at these vegan bodybuilders. Some of them are on too high of a fat diet. That's why they look a little bloated. But for me, I lift weights, but I'm not bodybuilding. I don't want to be like that because I'm a tennis player. I do want to be muscular and lean, so I do exercises more for stretching, strengthening, and lengthening. Full range of motion is going to be the key for tennis, or if you're into running or some other sport where you don't need big muscles. Sprinters are kind of very muscular. You'll even see sprinters that are, 180, 90, 200 pounds. But they're usually pretty tall also. So, it's sad because there's a lot of people that are still fooled by this myth that has been going on for decades and decades that we need protein. There's such a, we need it so badly. We don't. All we need is 6%, 10% max, and you're fine. You can get that from the rainbow of fruits and the rainbow of vegetables. Now, that's the majority of my calories come from fruits. The next thing that my calories come from are some sweet potatoes, gold potatoes, maybe some beans and rice, things like that. But I don't eat exorbitant amounts of that. I eat more fruits, and I enjoy a little bit of sweet potato or gold potato with, with my salads. So that's the deal. Somebody's walking in my yard. I'm sorry. I was just trying to see who it is. Now they're going towards my wife, so that's good. But anyway, so I'll show you the workout. And I've got 6 different things. But within those 6 things, I also have maybe 2 or 3 things that I do within that particular exercise. I'll put it up on the screen so you know what they are, how many reps, and so forth. So check it out and let me know. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and please hit the like button. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and post any question or comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. And so that's the deal. I just wanted to talk a little bit about protein today because I cannot believe that still some of my friends think that they need tons of protein. You really don't. Too much protein is a problem. Just the right amount, that's what you want, which falls in that 6 to 10% range. Once you start getting more of that, you can run into problems. So all the best, guys, and remember, best source of vitamins on the planet, fruit. Fruit up. Make it the meal. 1,000-calorie fruit meal. Start out with breakfast, then do breakfast and lunch, and then breakfast, lunch, and fruit before you have your big savory salad with maybe some starches, some sweet potatoes, gold potatoes, jasmine rice, and beans, who knows, whatever. Adios, amigos, and thank you for all your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you.